Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today and checking out my final test video on Tomas's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller. This is a pellet stove controller that failed on Tomas and he needed it repaired. So he sent it to me, I did some troubleshooting work on it, I repaired the problems, and I have it fully functional once again. So it's time to go ahead and do the final test before I send it back to him. So I have it connected to my tester right now, and I'll go ahead and turn it on, but before I do, I'll let you know that I have three lights in the background. The first one marked in blue is for the combustion. It simulates the combustion fan. The yellow one is for the auger, simulates the auger itself, and the red one is for the convection fan, the room fan, and it simulates the room fan, of course. So when I turn it on, I expect to have two lights come on, the combustion light and the convection or room fan. Those will come on because of the way that my tester is wired, and it bypasses some of the internal sensors that are in your stove. So let's go ahead and turn it on and we'll see the lights on the tester come on. There they are, the combustion fan light came on and the convection or room fan came on. So that's exactly what we expected. Now in this mode there's a couple things we can check. We can check the convection fan. If we go to the high position button here, that indicates that the fan would be running at full speed. That shall go off, on, off, on. So that's normal, especially since I'm in low. So it goes from low to high, low to high. The next thing I can check is the manual feed. That will cause the auger motor light to come on, and it'll cause this little symbol to spin here because I have in the back here an actual auger motor. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can hear the auger motor spin, and you can see it spinning, and as well you can see the light in the background turn on and off as I press the switch. The final thing we can check here while we're in manual mode is the low BCD positions, which will cause the light intensity of the convection or room fan to come on brighter and brighter. So B, C, D, E, and max. So as with all other controllers of this type, D, E, and max are connected together, so there's no change in lamp intensity. What's happening when I switch is the switch momentarily turns off and the light seems to go boom. But that's just normal. So let's go back to low and you see the intensity drop. Increase, drop. So that's functioning correctly. Let's go into automatic mode now. To go into automatic mode, I'll press on the auger button once, and that will cause the green light at the top to come on, and it will cause a timer in the control card to start. That timer will direct when the auger motor is to come on. So let's go ahead, I'll press and release, and we see that the green light came on. Now the timer has started. We'll wait for that to happen. But right here on the faceplate is a tiny little hole, and behind it is a little green LED indicator. We may not see that too clearly on the video. Let's hope we do. But when the auger drives, we'll see the symbol here spin, and we'll hear the motor spin as well. We'll hear, there we saw it. We'll see the light in the back come on. So the light in the back came on, the green LED came on, I saw that, and the motor spun. So let's do that one more time. There it all is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to maximum. Of course that increases the intensity, but that changes the duty cycle of the auger motor. So it will come on more often and it will run longer. Notice how it ran longer that time. And the off period will be shorter, so it'll run more often as well. So notice how that off period was shorter and the drive was longer. Let's go back to low just to double check that so you can see the difference. It'll take a little while to get there, about 20-25 seconds. And it ran for just a very short period of time. Let me go back to max and we'll drive it one more time. But all this to say that Tomas, once again, your controller is fully functional. I'm going to marathon test it for the night, and tomorrow I'll have it ready to be returned to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. And for all of you viewers, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a Breckwell brand or a different brand, and you have troubles with it, feel free to contact me. My contact information will be in the details just below this video. You can give me a call, and I'd be glad to talk to you about the problems you may be having with your controller and see if there's anything I can do to help. So everyone, thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. I hope you'll take the time to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'd appreciate that as well. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.